Hello everybody out in YouTube land, here for another What's in the Box. Today, got the Unihertz Tick-Tock E. No, not the Tick-Tock you would think that they were talking about, because obviously they'd be copyrighted, but yeah, Tick-Tock E. Supposed to be the budget version of the Tick-Tock they had out. I think it's probably been at least 4 or 5 months before this one came out. Last year in 2023. It's supposed to be their like big budget Unihertz type phone, but this is their cheaper one, the Tick-Tock E. Here's what's got the specs. Only 4 gigabytes of RAM. Pretty low. It'd be nice if they'd let you use some virtual memory, but I don't think they planned on doing that with only 64 gigabytes. I believe it is expandable. I will have to check once I get into this more, but this is just about an unboxing today. 6,000 milliamp battery, which is pretty huge. They're claiming, gosh, I think they said like 2 to 3 days worth of use if you, aren't like a heavy user. It is only 4G, 6.5 inch screen, so more than plenty big enough screen. And I think it comes with Android 12 out of the box. Maybe it was 13, but I'm thinking it was 12 at the very bare minimum. So let's see what we got here. No other real anything on it. Just shows Tick-Tock. Shows your little, hey, this is what it is. Says it's a T-Mobile and Verizon only. So keep that in mind if you're buying it. At least that's what this one says. Let's see what's up. Let's hack it on open. The old handy dandy ninja knives. Oh, dogs are all pissed off apparently too. And let's see here. Alright, so we got that. Get the old, come on, oh. There it is. Opened as can be. More dog barking. Shock, who doesn't have one of those? It says here, designed by Unihertz. Got little basic paperwork stuff in here. Let's see what else is in there. Okay, you got the SIM tool ejector and what? This looks like a. It's a screen protector. That's sort of a bizarre thing to put in there. Maybe that means it doesn't have one. It's a flexible style, so it isn't like it's a tempered glass. But hey, free. Nothing wrong with that. All right, let's kick out the phone, or not. There we go. Put that off to the side. Let's move the knife so we don't kill ourselves. Dog bark some more. All right, inside the box also, we got the charger. Doesn't specify it's fast charging. I don't think it is. It looks like it's just standard charging, so it's probably like, 15, 20, 30 watt charging. You can check out the specs online. We're not here for none of that stuff. Oh yeah, big old shocker here. Got the old cord with the... okay, so that means it doesn't have a headphone jack if it's got this in here, right? The USB-C to whatever 3.5 inch millimeter adapter. So that's kind of nice. USB-C cord, typical stuff. I mean, who's using these? Most of us already have those anyways, right? So let's get that stuff on out of here. Boom. Nothing else? Nah, it doesn't look like it. All right, let's look at the phone. Kind of heavy, I gotta tell you. I guess that's because that 6,000 milliamp battery, though, so that's going to be heavy. Most certainly. Yeah, let's see what else we got here. Let's, looks like you peel it open back this way, maybe? I don't know. Oh, I see. It's got like a side peel action going on here. Maybe we can get it open. Maybe we can't. I don't know. If I just force it out the top, why don't we just do that? Does that work? No, maybe not. A little snugger than I thought. Oh, there she goes. Ta-da! Okay. Little screen protector on the back here. That's supposed to be their little thing. That's the tick of the talk part of this, right? Is this back screen. Supposed to be like, basically just looks like a smartwatch, doesn't it? Like they just added a smartwatch for some reason to the back. And so this is clearly a case because it shows when you order it, it's a color. And it does come with a screen protector, so I don't know why they give you a second one. That's kind of bizarrely random. Let's take this thing off here. Or not. Or, good Lord, they're not kidding when they're talking about putting that on there, huh? Whammo. Come on, you can do it. I can win. There we go. It's a pretty nice, snug case for sure. Here's that really pretty blue color, oddly textured, still just plastic. A couple of buttons that you can pre-assign. There's a SIM place for your SIM card. Fingerprint side rinse sensor, a couple up and down buttons. That looks like an infrared blaster. I think I did see someplace where it does come with that. In the meantime, let's turn it on really quickly and take a quick look at it. Single firing speaker, USB-C charger, of course. Microphone. At least it does have dual microphones, because that's one thing wrong with these little cheapo phones. Sometimes they don't have the dual microphones, and you can't hear somebody if you're like talking off the bottom of the speaker, because that's where you're listening from, right? Like, hey, blah, blah, blah. And then they can't hear you because it doesn't have two. Like, you have to like literally be on the bottom. You can't just have it like that. So there's a little lit up screen on the back. I'll get into a review later on. This is super cheap, guys, off of Amazon right now. I mean, how can you go wrong ordering it? It's like $100 or $106 for what originally was like a $200 phone. So that's what you got inside the box for the Unihertz Tick-Tock E. Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.